maybe we'll go to lunch with him one day or something. If he can meet you, and I'll say, well, why don't we let Jess start helping with, and I'll pay you out of the mic. It won't cost him because he's already kind of paying me. It won't cost him anymore. We'll make it part of our deal. Just again, it's a place you can go if there's nothing to do down there.
Okay.
Come down here and check it out.
Yeah, and it might be that, 9 times out of 10, you're not going to need to clean the plant. Maybe you just run down here and you just sweep the floors real quick. Empty the garbage. You see inside sometimes, I haven't been in there in a while, there's like mosquitoes in the window. There's a little vacuum cleaner. You just go along there or take a little push broom. I mean, it really takes 15 minutes. But
Okay.
It's little things like that that they appreciate.
yeah,
Yeah.
he told me, he said, I'm not expecting you to do all this. But he doesn't have anybody else doing it. And
It's-
I'm not flying him. He's paying me. I'm just sitting there going, I keep the database current. I do a lot of stuff. So, are you recording this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,